Fastest double century in ODI cricket record is held by West Indies batsman Chris Gayle, as the opener Gayle scored double century in 2015 World Cup against Zimbabwe from just 138 deliveries, and the first double century was scored by Indian batting legend Sachin Tendulkar. And we have made the list of fastest double century and records of 200 plus runs in ODI history. There are 8 double century and 3 Indians has been dominating the list. Number 8, Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma became the third Indian to score double century, as the hitman first 200 came against Australia at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, as he scored 200 from 156 balls, and he scored 209 runs from 158 balls with 12 fours and 16 big sixes, and he won the Player of the Match and Player of the Series award. Number 7, Martin Guptill. Martin Guptill is the first New Zealand batsman to score 200 in ODI, as he scored his double 100 in World Cup quarterfinals against West Indies, and he reached his 200th run on 153rd ball. Guptill scored 237 runs and remained not out throughout the innings. He scored the massive 237 runs, which is still one of the highest individual score in World Cup history. Number 6, Rohit Sharma holds the number 6th and number 5th position. Before the 2015 World Cup, Rohit Sharma scored one of the highest score in ODI history. The opener scored 264 against Sri Lanka at Kolkata. He moved to 200 in just 151 deliveries, and hitman scored 264 from 173 deliveries with 9 sixes and 33 boundaries. The same opener comes on the 5th place. Rohit Sharma scored another 200 against Sri Lanka in 2017 at Mohali. He scored 200 from 151 deliveries, and hitman remained not out in the innings. He put 208 runs from 153 deliveries with massive 12 sixes and 13 fours. He won the man of the match, and India levelled the 3-match ODI series. Fakhar Zaman is on the number 4th place. Zaman scored 200 against Zimbabwe in 2018. He broke the previous record, which was held by Saeed Anwar of 194 against India in 2018. Fakhar Zaman at Bulawayo scored double century in 148 deliveries against Zimbabwe. He scored 210 from 156 balls with 5-6 and 24 fours, and he moved to 5th place in the highest individual score in ODI history. Number 3, the god of cricket became the first person to score double ton in ODI in 2010 at Gwalior. Sachin Tendulkar scored 200 runs from 147 balls. The captain MSD witnessed the moment from the other end, and Tendulkar remained not out. He scored 200 from 147 balls with 25 fours and 3 sixes, and India sealed the series with 2-0 in a 3-match series. Sachin won the Man of the Match award. Virender Sehwag became the second Indian to score double century in the ODI history. Fearless opener scored the double century against West Indies. He scored 200 from 140 balls, and he scored 219 runs from 149 balls with 7 sixes and 25 boundaries, but he got caught on 46.3 over and raised his bat while he was walking to the dressing room, and Sehwag won the Man of the Match award. Number 1, West Indies batsman, the universe boss, is on the first place. He scored the first double century in 2015 World Cup. He scored 200 runs in just 138 balls, and he scored 215 runs from 147 balls with 16 sixes and 10 fours. He was the third highest individual scorer until New Zealand took West Indies in quarterfinals in World Cup 2015. Now currently he is ranking on 4th position. To get all the updates of the stats in cricket, subscribe to our channel.
समझदारी के लिए दिल से शुक्रिया. आएंगे हम वापस, आएंगे हम वापस.